big news coming in. Remember about the senior faces till now with the government. Sources now telling India Today, Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan likely to be moved out of the Health Ministry. This in the background of course, the COVID pandemic that's affected the country in the past more than a year now. Poulomi Saha with the latest on that. Poulomi, this is going to be very big news if and when officially announced that Dr. Harshvardhan, current Health Minister, may likely to be moved out of the ministry. What are you picking up on details? And Poulomi, remember, is there outside the Prime Minister's residence. A lot of heightened activity there. I will just get her back in a moment. But this could be perhaps the biggest news. India, remember, has been affected with the COVID pandemic. There has been criticism lately of the government's handling of it. Rahul Srivastav is also joining us, our National Affairs editor. Rahul, do you think that Dr. Harshvardhan likely to be moved out of the Health Ministry could be the biggest news coming in? And I want to just mention here that you did mention it earlier here, that it could be a possible situation likely coming up.
You see, Pooja, when the second surge came and people were dying on the streets, there were lungs heaving inside hospitals, and inside hospitals there was lack of oxygen, there was vaccination drive was lacking. Eventually, the Prime Minister had to step in, get his hands dirty, holding meetings for oxygen cylinders, ventilators. In fact, what is gone against Dr. Harshvardhan is perhaps not predicting the ferocity of the second surge, the lack of preparedness. Also, in terms of having a larger worldview on how to tackle a pandemic, somewhere the assessment of the government has been that Dr. Harshvardhan has not met the standards set by the Prime Minister. Now, some top sources are very emphatic. They are saying that Dr. Harshvardhan may not retain, certainly may not retain the health portfolio. But yes, there are other sources also cite that the opposition is going to be on or be ballistic on the health issue, on the pandemic tackling issue, second surge in the coming session. A new minister, but then it is also a possibility that somebody credible or even a technocrat, is the Prime Minister holding a surprise that somebody credible and senior is going to be given the health portfolio charge, because the government also needs to be wary that if Dr. Harshvardhan is removed, opposition will say that the government is admitting that it made mistakes in handling the pandemic.
That's a very important point. The opposition would want to immediately jump in and criticize the government as if it's accepting that there were problems. Poulomi Saha is on the ground as well. Poulomi, if it is likely that Dr. Harshvardhan, the incumbent health minister in the country, may be moved out of the ministry, that could perhaps be the biggest news coming in from this cabinet rejig.
Absolutely. That is possibly one of the headlines that you would see in tomorrow's newspapers if indeed eventually we do see the minister being moved out of the health ministry. Is he being dropped altogether, or is he being moved out of the health portfolio, is what remains to be confirmed at the moment. We're still waiting for an official word from Dr. Harshvardhan's office. This was something which was being talked about, and hence we were in fact checking on this since earlier this morning, Pooja, and there was absolutely no confirmation coming in from his office about this. But now some sort of word coming in from our colleagues who cover the ministry saying that he's likely to be moved out of the ministry. So like I said, no clarity yet as to whether he'll be dropped from the Union Council of Ministers or whether he could be given a different portfolio altogether and someone else could be given charge of the health ministry. But either way, dropped or just moved out of the portfolio, a change in the Ministry of Health at the top level only adds fuel to fire as far as the opposition's criticism of the government is concerned in terms of its COVID-19 handling. And the opposition gets a moment to say, I told you so. The government has not handled the crisis, and currently
But also, Poulomi, what I would want to ask here, that considering previous year the government attempted to project its image that it has successfully combated the COVID-19 virus, and at that point the credit appeared to have gone to Dr. Harshvardhan as the health minister, and of course we saw the peak in the second wave leading to death and devastation. Could it be, of course, the opposition's chance, if that happens, to say that in many ways while Harshvardhan is facing the bait, but it should have stopped at the top door. So do you think that is also going to be that the government will want to consider before officially announcing if Dr. Harshvardhan is out and we have a new health minister coming up?
See, Pooja, like I just said earlier, Dr. Harshvardhan is going to become the fall
Correct,
guy
yes.
as far as the opposition is concerned. So if he's moved out of the health ministry, if he's given another portfolio or he's dropped altogether from the Union Council of Ministers, in both cases what the opposition is going to say is two things. One, that's admission of the fact that you didn't handle the COVID pandemic right. And secondly, this should have stopped at the top. It was the Prime Minister's job to have ensured that the country was kept safe and the pandemic was handled in a better way. You're making Dr. Harshvardhan a low-profile guy, the fall guy as far as this is concerned. But as far as the health ministry is concerned, Pooja, Dr. Harshvardhan's taking charge of the situation at the end of the day was criticized a lot in terms of the fact that he did not have a grip over the situation. A lot of the decisions that were being taken were afterthoughts. The Prime Minister obviously has had a hawk's eye over the situation. He was, of course, getting all the details and updates from the ministry officials. I'm talking about the Prime Minister's office and those within the Prime Minister's office and from the Health Ministry as well. He was constantly doing conferences with the Health Secretary himself, with VK Paul of the Niti Aayog. He was constantly seeking updates from him. But at the end of the day, Dr. Harshvardhan is in charge of the ministry. He is expected to, take charge of things. If he is not done well, then clearly that is going to become...
If that is going to be an announcement coming in anytime soon, that is going to be the big news. If Dr. Harshvardhan is out of the ministry and India is also to have a new health minister while the COVID pandemic is still raging. Paulami Saha, Rahul Shrivastava, please stay on with us. I'm heading into a short break. But India Today continues with its coverage and also inside track of what is expected at the rejig today evening. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.